Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today we are talking about the 550 EOS Canon. This is a mid-range camera, slightly old. However, it's got all the features that you need. It's got manual mode, it's got auto mode, it's got shutter, TV, P mode, so all the modes you need to do filming and photography. So if you're looking for a camera for not a lot of money, this might be the one for you. I'm just doing a little demo because I've got this to hand, so I thought maybe I'll just do a little demo about what the benefits are for this particular camera. So I've got the camera on, so I'm just going to put it in manual mode. Okay, so there you go. So I've got it in manual mode, if you can see that. So there we go, it's manual mode, and you've got all your settings. So if you want to change your AI, autofocus, you can do so. Okay, if you want to change any sort of features, you click on this Q button, so this Q button here, and this button will allow you to change your shutter speed by revolving the wheel at the top, this one here, and you can increase and decrease your shutter speed. When you're happy with it, just click back on it and then use your hovering. So if you want to change your aperture mode, you can literally just again use the wheel at the top and change that, move it across, ISO, move it down, exposure compensation if you want to increase, add more exposure, your portrait mode, so if you want to change it to portrait mode, if you're taking portrait images for example, you can select that, your white balance, your manual mode, so if you want to go to quality, you want a large picture, or you want to shoot in RAW for example, select that and you can select it in RAW. So there's all your settings. You also got evaluative metering, spot metering. So if you want to if you're taking maybe an object, you want to select it on spot metering, maybe portrait photography. So you can change all your settings manually. Why I like this camera compared to maybe say another camera similar in the same spec, maybe sort of the Nikon D3200, is that I can change in my manual mode in comparison to maybe the Nikon D300, my shutter and my aperture, which I quite like in the manual mode. I did a camera demonstration previous to this and I found the Nikon D300 quite a struggle, but I find it quite useful on this particular camera. It's not touchscreen, as you can see. However, it's got all the features that you need to shoot in. You can film, you can photograph. So if you're filming, you would put it in the filming mode, which is that one there. Okay, so you can see that, and then it will allow you to film, so you get a live viewfinder of this studio that I'm sort of capturing at the moment. And if you're taking photographs, you can again put it into manual mode. You've also got macro mode as well, so if you want to take macro, so there's your macro symbol for your macro shots as well. Okay, so yeah, not a bad camera, entry level I would think nowadays. But a nice little camera if you're looking just to do a bit of filming and photography and haven't got a big massive budget. Maybe this is the one for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you for the next video.